Find features that distinguish it from other brands for YFDSPSM Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. Android 11 operating system and wireless connection. The built-in Android 11 smart operating system of the Y-League's portable projector supports massive streaming applications and rich content, so you can easily watch movies and TV series. Equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it can realize wireless screen projection, quick connection to Bluetooth speakers and other devices. HD picture quality and 180 degrees rotatable bracket. The Y-League's mini portable projector has a native resolution of 1280 x 720p, supports a maximum of 1080p input, and is equipped with a 120 ANSI lumen LED lamp, providing colorful and clear cinema visuals. The base is equipped with a 180 degrees rotating bracket, allowing the projector to point in a variety of directions, including from the wall to the ceiling. You can watch from any angle from 30 to 150 feet and display a clear picture on the screen. Wide compatibility and portable size. This mini projector has multi-device compatibility and supports a variety of connection options, such as HDMI, VGA, USB and more. This means you can easily connect a variety of devices, such as computers, laptops, mobile phones, tablets, game consoles and more, without worrying about compatibility issues. Electric focus and keystone correction. Equipped with electric focus technology, one-click quick adjustment of picture clarity. At the same time, it supports keystone correction function, which can ensure that the picture is square no matter from which angle it is projected, and can easily adapt to various complex scenes. The projector is indeed an indispensable companion in life. It is easy to carry and the light source life is up to 50,000 hours. It greatly reduces the frequency and cost of replacing the lamp. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.